To make sure your pre-order emails are sent from your own email, you'll need to verify your sender email address. This not only helps with branding, but also improves deliverability and reduces the chances of your emails landing in spam. Here's how to do it. Open the Pre-order Now app and go to the Settings section. Click on Email Settings, where you'll find the Sender Email Address section. Enter the email address you want to use in the text box here. Click Verify to send a verification email. Then, check your inbox for an email with a verification link. Click the link to confirm your email, and once it's verified, your pre-order emails will start sending from this address. Just a heads up, using this will enable pre-orders for all of your products. Now, let's make sure everything looks good. Go back to Email Settings and go to the Test Email section to add the email address you want to receive the email to. Then click Send. Check your inbox to see how it looks and make any changes if needed. That's it. Your emails are now ready to go.